So hello everyone, we are here today for a review of the Swiss Champ Victorinox. So a big one. It's of course 91 millimeters, and in width we are at 33 millimeters. So a big one. It weighs something like 185 grams, and it has 33 functions. So it's the 1.6795. In here we have, so we have a user guide with different functions. We have a lot of images with each tool and showing the function. So we go through that. And see the different tools we have here. I'm going to start with the back. At the back we have a corkscrew, and in it we have a tiny screwdriver that is useful for the glasses, for example. And here we have a straight pin in here, like that. Here we have, I don't know the exact name, but it's a wood knife. It's really sharp here at the end, and you can use it to dig into a piece of wood or some stuff like that, to make holes maybe too. Here we have a flathead screwdriver, a tiny one. We have the hook, multi-purpose hook, of course. And finally we have the reamer, so useful to make holes too. And here we have the small blade. Don't want to cut myself. The big blade. So really sharp as usual. Next we have a file. So it's useful. It's a metal file. You can use it for your nails too. And we have a metal saw as well. Yeah, it's really sharp, let's say. Then we have the wood saw, really good one too. Then we have a tool for the ones who like fishing. So we have a ruler in inch, centimeters, and that's it. So that's pretty much a tool for when you like fishing. We have the scissors, Victorinox scissors, really good. For me, it's the best. We have a pair of pliers. Really good too. We have a Phillips screwdriver with 2 positions. Yeah, in 90 degrees, and here, like that. So 2 position. We have then a magnifying glass. Really good too. I tested it to start a fire, and it works. With a bit of time, it works. And then we have finally the can opener and the bottle opener. With both of them, flathead screwdriver at the end, big one, smaller one. And finally we have the tweezers, of course. And we have the toothpick. And much more. We have here a pen. So a little pen. That writes in blue. I have a trick. If you want, because it's not that easy to write like that, because it's really thin. That has a great length. So you can take out the hook, put that in the slot here, and gently close the hook like that, and like that you can. So it's a bit thick, but really it's much better to write, and it's really easier. So it's a trick. And you can replace that, of course. It's not really expensive. If you lose the toothpick, the tweezers, you can buy that too. The mini screwdriver too, which is in the corkscrew. It's quite cheap too. So I think we saw everything. For the price here in Europe, it's about 96 euros, and I got it at 68 euros, so something like 30 euros less expensive. It's a really good knife. I'm fond of thick knives for Victorinox, but yes, it's a bit heavy. If you put it in your pocket, it's better to have something like the Huntsman. That's the Huntsman. So the Huntsman, it's 21 millimeters. So we see the difference here. Yes. So it's something to think about. But of course here we have a lot of tools, a lot of solutions for different situations. But it's heavier, it's thicker, it's in the pocket, it's not really good. it's a bit heavy, but I think it's still good. So it depends what you prefer. So that's it for today. I'll see you for a next review, and see you next time.
Calm before the storm, things aren't